Ta Prohm, one of the most fascinating temples of the Angkor complex in Cambodia. This mystical site is famous for its unique harmony between nature and ancient architecture. Built in the 13th century during the reign of Jayavarman VII, Ta Prohm, it was a royal monastery dedicated to the memory of the king's mother. Abandoned in the 15th century, the temple was rediscovered by French archaeologists in the 20th century, invaded by the jungle, giving it this wild and captivating appearance. What makes Ta Prohm so unique? These are the Centennial trees, mainly banyans and kapok trees, whose giant roots envelop, literally, the stone structures. These roots, sometimes descending from the sky or deeply rooted, form an impressive spectacle, blending with the ancient ruins. They were not planted by man, but grew naturally from seeds carried by the birds of the surrounding forest. The temple even gained worldwide popularity after its appearance in the movie Tomb Raider in 2001, reinforcing its mystical image. Ta Prohm is a perfect example of Khmer architecture, with a rectangular structure surrounding a central sanctuary. These 5 concentric enclosures, these galleries adorned with detailed bas-reliefs, and its sculptures of Hindu and Buddhist deities, testify to the exceptional craftsmanship of the era. The use of sandstone, extracted from the Kulen Mountains 50 kilometers away, adds to the impressive complexity of the building. Ta Prohm is much more than just an ancient temple. It is a place of memory, where nature and spirituality meet in perfect harmony. A journey here is to explore a historical treasure and feel the power of time and nature on human creation. Are you ready to explore this wonder of Angkor? With Camp a Tour.